Hi, I'm Melissa Hartzell, and you may know I'm a beauty and skincare professional. Now, a year ago, I made this video for my social media account. It was to let you know about my journey into helping to create a groundbreaking new anti-aging formula called Firm and Restore Formula. I couldn't believe it, but it became an internet sensation. And I know it's changed the lives of thousands of women all over the world. I've received incredible messages from so many women telling me how their lives have been transformed, how their skin feels brighter, more youthful looking, and their self-esteem has just improved tenfold. So a year has passed since this was filmed, and I wanted to show you the difference that using Firm and Restore formula has had on my own skin over the past year. When I made the first video, I'd already been using Firm and Restore formula since its launch, and at the time my skin was already feeling more radiant and brighter than ever. And I wanted to show you the difference that using Firm and Restore has made to my own skin over the past year. It's helped keep my wrinkles at bay and helped my skin to look even fresher and brighter with each day of use, and allowed me to continue living life to the full and enjoying time with my partner, my children and my friends and family, whilst feeling confident not only on the outside but on the inside too. And by having it as part of my daily routine this past year, I've helped my own skin to look and feel even more youthful, radiant and glowing. Now, I've never had Botox, I've never used fillers, and honestly, I never will. I'm scared to death after hearing some frightening horror stories about their side effects. Plus, I want to retain a natural look where my face can still move. So I have even more reasons to be so thankful for Firm and Restore formula myself, and along with the thousands of other women who have used it and have experienced smoother skin, tighter jowls, less wrinkles, a reduction of crow's feet, and a surge in confidence every day that the Firm and Restore formula is applied. And it just makes me feel so happy and proud to experience this amazing transformation yourself. Just click the link below, which will take you straight to our website where you can purchase our exciting and life-enhancing Firm and Restore formula. Good luck with your journey, and please do let me know how you get on regaining your confidence, helping your skin to become smoother looking, brighter looking and younger looking.